1951 Ford Custom two-door sedan street rod here at Unique Specialties and Classics. Flatty V8 power underneath the hood. Paired up with 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the front chrome bumper. See the Frenched-in headlights. This color looks very similar to Legend Lime, of course, a famous Ford Mustang paint color. I will mention in the hood there's a few kind of different areas. I don't know if I can get them to show up, but it's kind of got some checking, or I guess crow's feet, if you will. And I don't know if you can see those on the video or not. It's tough to see them. Like I said, you got to be just over the top of it, looking at it just right. Maybe there you can see them, but the paint, like I said, does show a little checking of crow's feet on the hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle. Interior, engine bay, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. Number to call. Black Steelies, wide white wall radials. It will come with, I believe it's about 5 or 6 different wheel covers there. Same style wheel cover, as you can see, but those will be included, as well as that full-size spare. It'll go back in the trunk. You can also see shaved door handles. It does have a key fob with a popper. We get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you that. Interior has been redone in this neutral or beige color cloth. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that too. Custom interior. Top has been chopped with that custom street rod look. Of course, Frenched-in taillights, rear chrome bumper, nice condition. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Slip around to the driver's side here. Of course, fender skirts, and that low look in the rear for cruising. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, just a few imperfections here or there. A few areas on that hood. See the roof. Paint has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong. It shines well. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. All right. Now if you have the window down, of course, you can reach through and open up with the door handle on the inside. But I want to show you that the door popper works. You just push the key fob button, opens right up. There's your key fob. There's actually 2 of them there. Some custom installed LED interior lighting. Door panels matching the seats as far as the fabric goes. Custom tunnel underneath that center console. You'll be able to get a lot better view of the interior from the still pictures, just because I can get in there with the camera a little easier. Take the pictures. Pretty stock looking dash, with the exception of that aftermarket stereo and gauge cluster, custom built in. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Get the keys out here. There is a electric fan on this vehicle, electric fuel pump. Electric fuel pump switches right here. Horn. Is that flatty? Sure, we're at neutral. Have had the stereo working. Looks like there's a couple temp gauges, net meter, oil pressure gauge working. Yeah, oil pressure gauge working. around and back so you hear this run. That door closes just beautiful every time. It's nice. There it is. That sounds like a flatty underneath the hood. Dual exhaust, you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures. You slip up to the front. Let me get this hood open. There, we got the hood propped up. Flathead V8, electric pusher fan. See, 12-volt system. 8 VA heads. Smooth runner. That'd be considered a cold air intake from back in the day. Dual intake. Battery disconnect. Want to store the car at all, or maybe in between drives and disconnect the battery. Smooth running flatty. Looks good, sounds good under here. Hey, remember, stick around to the end of the video here just a little longer. We're going to take this down the road, kind of get an idea of what it's like to ride along in this car, kind of a virtual ride, if you will. 1951 Ford Custom two-door sedan street rod. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1951 Ford Custom in a nice bright green color. Below we do have a stereo system that does work. Under the dash there are two temperature gauges, both rating 190 right now. The amp gauge is showing that we are charging. The oil pressure gauge is showing 20 psi. Speedometer is not moving. The odometer is moving. This car is a bit customized with this shop top, homemade interior console, low-sitting bucket seats. This car starts up and idles nicely.